8 superfoods you need for ultimate health. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your organ health? One. Spinach. Feel strong and vibrant with spinach, the leafy green superhero. Rich in iron and vitamins, spinach supports your immune system and helps maintain healthy bones. Let's blend it into smoothies, sauté it in dishes, or enjoy it fresh in salads to unlock its full potential. 2. Kale. Discover kale, the nutrient-dense champion of greens. Packed with vitamins and minerals, kale promotes heart health and is a fantastic addition to any meal. Let's get creative with this leafy green as we explore delicious salads and smoothies that make healthy eating enjoyable. 3. Cabbage. Get ready to meet cabbage, the unsung hero of detoxification. This leafy green is brimming with vitamins and minerals that support liver health and digestion. Packed with antioxidants, it helps keep your body in top shape. Join us as we explore delightful recipes that make cabbage a staple in your kitchen. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that you won't want to miss. This green veggie is loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost your immune system and promote detoxification. Join us as we whip up colorful dishes that showcase broccoli's versatility and delicious crunch. 5. Cauliflower. Embrace the versatility of cauliflower, the low-carb wonder that steals the show. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this veggie can be transformed into rice, mash, or even pizza crust. Join us as we unleash our culinary creativity with cauliflower, making healthy eating both fun and delicious. 6. Asparagus. Asparagus is a fantastic vegetable for health, recognized for its detoxifying properties and rich vitamin content. It's high in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate and antioxidants like glutathione, which support liver health and help detoxify the body. Its fiber content also promotes digestion and gut health. 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile, low-calorie vegetable that's rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. It's great for supporting digestion, eye health, and weight management. 8. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is packed with nutrients, vitamins A, C, K, folate, magnesium, potassium, and iron. It supports bone health, boosts immunity, and helps regulate blood pressure. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on medicinal herbs in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos.